Changing spots again, slow day. Slow day. Running the little motor, just always gotta run her every once in a while. See how she does. Mother of God. Alright. God, I kicked this thing that was up with my shin. Thank you very much.
Did it break it?
No, I'm fine, thank you. Run her every once in a while, see how she does with all this weight in the boat. Here we are on a 22-foot walk-around Century. Regular horsepower with a 225 Mercury Pro XS. We are loaded down. How much weight do you think is in this boat right now?
2 tons.
4,000 pounds, or 1 1/3 metric tons. We're out here fishing in the Everglades.
I would say we're probably at least 2.5.
About 5,000 pounds.
Yeah.
We're pretty heavy. We got 100 gallons of fuel, several coolers full of ice, all of our bedding, full thing of water, people, motor, boat. We're probably right around 5,000 pounds. Our kicker motor is a 9.9 horsepower. Our previous video, we kind of showed you just how it was running with a light boat, and this is how it is fully loaded down. Is that full power? Is that half? So there it is at half power. We're not breaking any land speeds, but if God forbid something were to go wrong,
It'll get me back.
it'll get us back. You can see we're doing 4.4, 4.3 miles an hour.
Against the current.
Going against the current. So we'll be interested to see how this thing does at full speed. Is that full speed? So here she is at full speed, a 9.9 horsepower Mercury. Again, our testing weighs about 5,000 pounds. Doing about 5.7 miles per hour. I don't know if you can see that. 5.7, 5.6 against the current. Be even more if we're going with the current, if there's no current. So as you can see, this motor pushes this boat very nice. God forbid something were to happen with the big motor, you'd be able to get back into the smaller motor. We would just steer with the big motor and just leave that one in a straight position. We have the gas, we have it linked over here. And it's the way it's linked, so I can show you. That is our gas line for our big motor. That's the gas line coming in, going to the tiller motor. We just kind of have it separated down at the bottom to where we can go ahead and just redirect our gas flow. So the tiller motor, our 6.6 kicker motor, runs on our main gas tank. So we have plenty of fuel to get us back in. This is just a secondary engine just in case we're not able to make it back.
Kind of
yeah. So anyway, we're just testing this motor, getting us from spot to spot. Just testing this motor, running her while we're going to our next spot. No emergencies, we're all good. So anyway, that's just a quick overview performance of the Mercury 9.9, pushing about a 5,000 pound boat, fully loaded. Again, we're out here in the Everglades for 3 days, so we got a lot of fuel, 4 people, a lot of belongings we had to bring on this trip. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little view of the Mercury 9.9 in action on one of these trips. God forbid we were to ever need it. If you like that video, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.